Hello and welcome to Appeon Web, the lowest cost web enablement solution for PowerBuilder. What is Appeon Web? It's actually an add-on to the PowerBuilder environment. Once installed, the PowerBuilder IDE will display a secondary toolbar with a mapping to the comprehensive toolset within the Appeon product. Also included is an Appeon server, which can be installed on traditional servers or within cloud environments. The Appeon server itself can be either .NET or Java-based runtime. Once mapped to an existing PowerBuilder application, your application will become web-enabled. The user interface is faithfully replicated within a web browser, and development remains in PowerBuilder to protect your investment in software and PowerBuilder skills. So the key benefits: you can web-enable rapidly in months or weeks. You can eliminate retraining of users and developers. You can integrate natively with either .NET or Java web-based applications, and scale flexibly within the N-tier and cloud architecture. Here are the steps to the web. Configure your project in Appeon Developer. Analyze your code using the unsupported function analyzer. Modify your code using tools like Code Insight. Test your web over the actual internet. And if everything's working fine, package your application and deploy it to the production environment. To get started, we can use the configuration wizard to inform Appeon Web about our existing PowerBuilder application, and also the fact that we want to actually convert that to a web application. We can hit the next button here and fill in all the questions about what libraries you're using, your deployment settings, database types, how your database transactions are configured, and external files such as images, INI, OCX, and DLLs, for example. At the end of the wizard in the summary, you'll actually deploy your application to the Appeon server. Once we have a mapping to the existing PowerBuilder application, we can use the analyzer to have a look at unsupported functions. We can use the run now to test the application, making sure that it all works properly, just as if it was a native PowerBuilder application. But now it's running as a web application within the web browser. We can see here that your windows display properly, your data windows, your drop-down data windows, edit masks are working exactly the same. Toolbars are exactly the same, pull-down menus are the same. If there are problems with your application, we can use the Appeon debugger. You can see here it's exactly like the PowerBuilder debugger, except it's actually debugging your application in the web browser. Once your application is ready, we can use the packaging tool to create a deployment package. You can see here again, this wizard will walk you through the necessary information that you need to provide in order to deploy it. And at the end, it'll create an install package that you can give to your operations personnel. For more information and to get your free trial today, visit www.appeon.com.